If you need to delete a project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and you want to do it quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete one project, delete multiple projects in bulk, and avoid the common mistakes that can catch beginners off guard. This is one of those simple tasks that can save you a lot of time when your project manager starts getting cluttered. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open the Project Manager. You can do that by clicking the home icon at the bottom right of any page in DaVinci Resolve. It looks like a little house symbol. You can also use the shortcut Shift+1, which is a super fast way to jump straight into the Project Manager. Once the Project Manager opens, take a look at the left side of the window. You want to make sure the Project Library sidebar is visible. This is important because this is where your databases and libraries are listed. If you don't see it right away, just click the icon at the top left of the Project Manager window to toggle the sidebar on. Now select the specific project library or database that contains the project you want to remove. If you have more than one library, make sure you choose the correct one because the project you're looking for might be stored in a different database than you expect. After that, look in the main Project Manager window for the project thumbnail or list entry you want to delete. If you're in thumbnail view, it will appear as a visual card. If you're in list view, it will show up as a row with details like name and date. To delete the project, right-click directly on the project thumbnail or entry. From the context menu, choose Delete. DaVinci Resolve will then show a warning pop-up to make sure you really want to remove it. At this point, pause for a second and double-check that you selected the correct project, because this action is permanent inside the software. If you're sure, click Delete again in the confirmation box. The project will then be removed from that library. Now let's talk about deleting multiple projects at once. This is really useful if you're cleaning up old drafts, test projects, or unused timelines. To do that, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each project thumbnail you want to delete. You'll see the selected projects highlight as you go. Once your projects are selected, right-click any of the highlighted items and choose Delete. DaVinci Resolve will remove all of the selected projects together after you confirm the prompt. This can save a huge amount of time if you're working with a large project library. If you're managing a big database and it's hard to find the right project, use the search bar at the top of the Project Manager. Just type part of the project name and it will filter the results so you can quickly locate the project you want to remove. Another helpful tip is to switch to List View by clicking the little eye icon at the top right of the Project Manager. List View makes it much easier to compare project names, dates, and sometimes other details before you delete anything, which is great if you want a more organized cleanup process. Now, there are a few important warnings you should know before deleting anything. First, you cannot delete the project that is currently open. If the project you want to remove is the one you're working in, you'll need to open a different project first, or create a temporary dummy project so you can return to the Project Manager and delete the target project. Second, if you're using a Blackmagic Cloud library, be very careful. Deleting a project there removes it for all collaborators, not just you, so make sure nobody else is actively using it before you confirm the deletion. Third, if you're not completely sure you want to permanently delete a project, it's a smart idea to export a project archive first. Right-click the project and choose Export Project Archive. This creates a .dra backup that can include the project and its media, which is a much safer option if you want to keep a copy on an external drive. And finally, if the delete option is grayed out, the project library may be set to read-only, or you may not have the right permissions on your system. In that case, you'll need to check your library settings or your operating system permissions before trying again. So to quickly recap, open the Project Manager, choose the correct project library, find the project, right-click it, and delete it after confirming the warning. If needed, you can also batch delete multiple projects, search by name, and switch to List View for easier cleanup. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.